Noom Premium Health and Fitness Pricing explained what you get for your money. Noom Premium costs around per month, but most people assume it's just a weight loss app. The surprising truth is it's a psychology-based platform designed to change habits, improve nutrition, and support long-term health. The app pairs you with a personal coach, daily lessons, and goal tracking. You learn to identify triggers, manage cravings, and build sustainable routines. Most people get this wrong. They think logging food is enough. Noom's strength lies in its behavior-focused approach, helping you develop habits that stick. You can also track meals, exercise, weight, and metrics like blood pressure or sleep. Insights are personalized, with nudges and reminders that keep you accountable without feeling overwhelming. So, what do you get for your money? Coaching support, daily habit-building lessons, tracking tools, and a psychology-backed approach to health. It's not just about calories, it's about long-term behavior change. If you want a program that combines science, coaching, and tracking to create lasting health improvements, Noom Premium provides value far beyond a typical fitness app.